This little secret will help you stop eating sugar. Hi, I'm Dr. O, or Dr. Olusegun, here at Angelic Lift Wellness. Join me. I'm going to be talking today about how to be able to quit eating sugar for 21 days and see what type of health benefit that you're going to notice. I know. We've all been dreaming about how to do this. You know sugar is not good for you, but it does taste good. And we worry about the withdrawal, right? When you step away from carbs and alcohol and your favorite desserts and candy and chocolate and all the goods, you feel like, what's the purpose? Okay, I'm here today to explain to you that there is a way to make it easier. We know that when we stop eating sugar, there's so many health benefits that we all want to do it. But you start, and by the end of the first day, second day, oh God, third day, you are ready to quit, right? Many of you have tried, and by the third day, you've quit. But there is a little secret that I use here in my practice for my patients that really want to quit sugar. And it is this new weight loss medications. Things like 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐤𝐞, Zepbound, semaglutide, tirzepatide. You might have heard of them. These medications actually bind to your satiety center in the brain, where it tells your brain that you are satisfied, right? That's really what you're eating the sugar for. You're looking for that comfort, that satisfaction. Well, when you use these medications to help you achieve that, it's a little bit easier, right? To be able to then stop the sugar. And most patients go through the withdrawal from sugar, like by the third day, they're able to then overcome it. So when you use this type of medications, you inject them once a week and they have you feeling great, feeling satisfied for a whole week. So now you can get through that phase of, withdrawal symptoms from the sugar a lot easier. And once you get past day 3, what you're going to naturally notice, even without this, weight loss medications, is that your energy is going to improve. Why does your energy improve when you come off of sugar? Well, there is what we call the up and down roller coaster of having sugar rise in your system and then sugar fall in your system. Sugar rise in your system, sugar fall in your system. That up and down causes your energy to also go up and down, as well as your mood. So when you're able to keep your blood sugar more steady, because you're not spiking it with the high sugar content in your diet, your energy is a little bit more steady. Your mood is a little bit more steady. And your cravings for more sugar and for more carbs is a little bit less. So then once you're able to come off, you don't crave the carbs as much. So then now you can stay on this healthy path to continue through your transformation, to continue to lose weight. What we also see when we come off of sugar is that our belly fat all of a sudden start to go down. Ask anyone that has lost belly fat. That is the number one thing that they do is come off of sugars. Come off of breads and pastas and just desserts in general, and alcohol, that little glass of wine that you have to drink a couple every night, When you come off of those things, we start to see a shrinkage in the fat that has deposited itself in your liver. And as that diminishes, as that decreases, because you're not spiking your insulin level, which makes your body store sugars and store fats, right? Your belly starts to go down and get flat. And you also lose a lot of that water that you've been holding on to, right? Your whole body feels kind of puffy and swollen. Well, all that is going to eliminate. And all of a sudden, you're much lighter, right? Your belly is so much flatter. You have better energy. Your mood is stable, right? So those are things that we start to see within this 21 days. But the hardest part was those first 3 days, and using this class of medications that help you feel full, help you not have the cravings, help you kind of like feel just fine, like you just feel like, oh, there's food, but I'm full, you know, and you eat what you're supposed to eat, the clean food that you're supposed to eat, the smaller portion that you're supposed to eat, and you keep it moving. And you can focus your newfound energy on productive things rather than constantly thinking about food, because there's so much, you know, food noise in your head, right? All of that comes down with this class of medications. And that is one of the secret tools I am now using for my patients that I'm like, I know they're addicted to sugar. They tell me, doctor, I'm a sugaraholic. I've tried. I just can't make it past a few days. And finally, they're able to break that habit. And finally, something that's working for them. And after they get through that first 21 days or so, it's so much easier. Even if they decide to come off of these medications at that point, right? We're using it as a tool for them to help them get away from that withdrawal that makes them quit every time they try to do this, right? So if you have a question about that, ask it in the comment section below. I will be glad to explain some more, maybe record another video that might explain how I use this as a tool for my patients in the practice. See you soon.